Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? Today, we're diving into the most insane military inventions you must see. Tech so advanced it looks straight out of science fiction. From stealth drones to AI-powered robots, these machines are changing the battlefield forever. So don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss it. The future of warfare is right here, right now. The Raider X is an evolution in high-speed military helicopters, designed to dominate the skies with unmatched speed, agility, and versatility. Built for reconnaissance, attack, and rapid troop deployment, it combines advanced coaxial rotor technology with a sleek, low-observable airframe, enabling extreme maneuverability and reduced radar signature. Raider X operates seamlessly in contested environments where traditional helicopters face limits, delivering both survivability and mission effectiveness. Equipped with next-generation sensors, advanced targeting systems, and modular weapon configurations, Raider X can adapt to mission requirements, whether executing precision strikes, supporting ground forces, or conducting deep reconnaissance. Its high-speed capability allows rapid insertion and extraction, shortening reaction times and expanding operational reach. With a blend of speed, firepower, and stealth, Raider X sets a new standard for rotary wing combat, redefining what modern attack helicopters can achieve on the battlefield. The MV4 multi-mission EOD robotic system complements airborne platforms like Raider X by ensuring safety on the ground. Compact yet powerful, MV4 is designed to detect, identify, and neutralize explosive threats while keeping operators at a safe distance. Its rugged all-terrain mobility, articulated manipulator arm, and advanced camera systems allow it to navigate urban environments, confined spaces, and hazardous areas with ease. Modular mission kits expand its role into reconnaissance, hazardous material handling, and support for counter-IED operations. Operated remotely with intuitive controls, MV4 provides armed forces and security units with a reliable, life-saving tool. Together, Raider X and MV4 highlight a future where air and ground systems work in unison, maximizing force protection and mission effectiveness across the spectrum of modern warfare. The Rook robotic system is a revolutionary unmanned ground vehicle designed to take on the most dangerous missions while keeping soldiers safe. Fully modular and AI-driven, it can switch roles within seconds, adapting seamlessly to changing battlefield needs. From reconnaissance and logistics to medical evacuation and direct combat support, Rook delivers unmatched versatility. It can transport supplies, extract the wounded, or provide armed overwatch with minimal human intervention, reducing risk and extending the reach of ground forces. With rugged all-terrain mobility, Rook navigates harsh landscapes effortlessly, ensuring mission success in environments too hazardous for troops. Its secure connectivity and integration with modern defense networks allow it to coordinate with other unmanned systems and manned units, enhancing overall force effectiveness. Compact yet powerful, Rook is built for endurance, adaptability, and precision. More than just a robot, it represents the future of battlefield operations, expanding the boundaries of autonomous warfare while giving forces a decisive tactical advantage. The Ghost X represents the next generation of adaptability and power, built for a fast-changing world where versatility is the ultimate advantage. Engineered to be stronger, smarter, and more flexible than anything before it, Ghost X redefines what a single platform can achieve. At its core lies a modular architecture designed for rapid transformation. Whether the mission is defense, humanitarian relief, advanced mobility, or integration with emerging technologies. One platform delivers endless possibilities with seamless reconfiguration, rapid upgrades, and mission-specific performance built in from the start. Ghost X evolves as challenges evolve. It never stands still, remaining always ready to meet the unknown with precision, reliability, and speed. Designed for maximum endurance and efficiency, it balances rugged durability with intelligent systems that optimize performance in real time. Its advanced modularity ensures future-proofing, enabling operators to scale capabilities as operational demands grow and change. More than a machine, Ghost X is a revolution in design philosophy. Bold, dynamic, and future-focused, it transforms complexity into simplicity, unpredictability into control, and limitations into opportunities. It delivers the covert strength to adapt instantly, the resilience to survive the harshest conditions, and the intelligence to keep forces ahead of every challenge. Ghost X is not just a platform, it is a vision of tomorrow, available today, shaping the way missions are carried out and proving that true strength lies in adaptability. Türkiye's first indigenous armed robot, Sarbot, marks a dramatic leap into the future of ground combat. Rugged and armored, Sarbot keeps soldiers out of harm's way while executing the toughest missions across diverse environments. Its modular chassis accepts an array of cameras, sensors, and interchangeable weapon payloads, allowing the platform to switch roles instantly, from persistent patrol and reconnaissance to precision target tracking and point defense. Operators may command Sarbot remotely or employ semi-autonomous modes that follow mission rules while retaining human oversight for lethal decisions. Built for day and night operations, the vehicle combines robust mobility, long endurance, and hardened communications to operate reliably in harsh terrain and electronically contested landscapes. Advanced sensor fusion and onboard processing enable rapid identification, classification, and handoff of threats to nearby units, shortening engagement timelines and improving battlefield awareness. Compact enough for rapid deployment, yet lethal when required, Sarbot integrates modular armor packages and adaptive suspension for survivability and maneuverability. Maintenance-friendly design and common logistics interfaces simplify sustainment and interoperability with existing force structures. Ideal for border security, critical site protection, convoy escort, and forward operating area security, Sarbot reduces risk to personnel while multiplying force effectiveness. By blending lethal capability with flexible mission profiles and rigorous safety controls, Sarbot represents Türkiye's answer to smarter, safer force projection, an autonomous-enabled guardian that enhances situational control, preserves lives, and brings a new level of tactical versatility to modern ground warfare. It is scalable, upgradable, networked, and ready for deployment. The VSSR700 is a ship-launched unmanned helicopter that extends a Navy's reach beneath the waves, and its anti-submarine role could be a game-changer. Compact enough for frigates, it carries maritime radar, electro-optical sensors, sonobuoys, and ASW payloads to hunt, localize, and monitor submarines while keeping sailors safe. Flying longer and cheaper than manned helicopters, VSSR700 scouts wide areas, deploys sonobuoys, relays acoustic data to ships, and teams with manned aircraft to prosecute contacts, turning dispersed sensors into a coherent underwater picture. Quiet, persistent, and built for rough seas, the platform brings distributed ASW capability to smaller vessels and raises fleet resilience by enabling faster detection and response. The Rook multi-mission autonomous surface vessel complements VSSR700 by providing persistent sea-based presence and modular mission flexibility. Rook can be fitted for mine countermeasures, towed sonar operations, logistics, electronic surveillance, or search and rescue, swapping mission modules ashore or at sea to meet needs. With advanced autonomy, collision avoidance, and encrypted networking, multiple Rooks can operate cooperatively with manned units and unmanned systems, forming an adaptive maritime mesh that multiplies situational awareness. Integrated command and control and secure data links let Rook forward process sensor cues to VSSR700 and commanders, shortening decision cycles and enabling coordinated responses. Together, VSSR700 and Rook create a layered, cost-effective toolkit for modern navies, making ASW more distributed, responsive, and survivable, while reducing risk to sailors and amplifying maritime control and global mission adaptability. The Shadow S3 is a stealthy, long-endurance tactical UAV that redefines battlefield awareness. As a silent hunter in the sky, it carries high-power electro-optical and infrared sensor suites, secure data links, and AI-assisted target recognition to deliver continuous, high-fidelity intelligence. Designed to loiter for hours and operate effectively in contested GPS-denied environments, Shadow S3 penetrates denied airspace while minimizing detectability through low observable design and advanced signature management. It feeds crystal-clear, real-time imagery and fused sensor data to commanders, converting scattered sightings into a coherent, actionable picture. Its secure communications and hardened avionics resist electronic attack, and the platform supports mid-flight retasking, so operators can update mission priorities as situations evolve. Cooperative swarm capabilities enable multiple Shadow S3s to distribute sensing, maintain persistent coverage of critical areas, and perform collaborative tracking without increasing operator workload. Built for rapid mission changes and resilient operations, Shadow S3 integrates automated data processing, edge analytics, and human-in-the-loop oversight to accelerate decision cycles while preserving accountability. Its endurance and adaptability make it ideal for layered ISR, target development, force protection, and covert overwatch tasks. By combining stealth, persistence, and advanced sensor fusion, the Shadow S3 gives forces faster situational understanding, surgical precision, and the covert reach to influence operations from above. Robust logistics, modular payload bays, and secure mission planning tools simplify deployment and sustainment, ensuring rapid fielding and long-term operational availability across varied theaters, worldwide and interoperable. Ninox is a precision loitering munition designed for decisive strikes on modern battlefields. Combining the speed and maneuverability of a tactical drone with the pinpoint accuracy of a guided missile, Ninox can be launched from land, sea, or air platforms to identify, track, and neutralize high-value targets while minimizing collateral damage. Built around a lightweight, low-signature airframe and an advanced guidance suite, Ninox leverages inertial navigation, satellite augmentation, and real-time seeker fusion to adapt mid-flight to shifting conditions and moving threats. Its modular warhead options and proportional effects allow commanders to tailor lethality to mission objectives, reducing risk to civilians and friendly forces. The Spear Nanox variant enhances versatility with an agile propulsion system and reduced payload, enabling rapid response missions where speed and precision are paramount. Its compact form factor permits discrete deployment from confined platforms and integration into distributed force architectures, giving commanders scalable options across the full spectrum of conflict. Autonomous target recognition assists human operators, shortening engagement timelines while preserving rigorous rules of engagement oversight. Complementing these tactical effects, the Frontier Wide Area Persistent Surveillance Suite offers continuous domain awareness over expansive operational zones. Combining high-altitude sensors, persistent aerostat, and unmanned aerial assets, and networked ground stations, Frontier provides long-dwell intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) that feeds Ninox's targeting algorithms with high-confidence cues. Advanced data fusion, automated queuing, and waveform-optimized communications ensure timely, actionable information is delivered to decision-makers. Together, this family of systems emphasizes safety, accountability, and mission effectiveness. By integrating robust command and control, encrypted communications, and built-in safeguards, including human-in-the-loop authorization and comprehensive post-mission auditability, operators retain decisive control over engagement while minimizing unintended consequences. In today's fast-paced conflicts, Ninox and the Frontier Suite deliver a responsible, technologically sophisticated capability for rapid, accurate, and ethically governed operations. Leonardo BriteStorm is a counter-drone and electronic warfare system designed to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones and aerial threats in real time. Using integrated radar, optical sensors, and advanced electronic jamming, BriteStorm can disrupt enemy UAV navigation and communications, forcing them to land or lose control without causing collateral damage. Compact, mobile, and highly responsive, it provides militaries and security forces with a powerful shield against the growing threat of drones in modern warfare. With automated threat assessment, layered sensor fusion, and modular defeat options, BriteStorm protects critical assets, infrastructure, and troops while keeping operations safe and under control. The Spear Nox is a cutting-edge loitering munition engineered to complement defensive networks by conducting precision reconnaissance and, when necessary, surgical strikes. Equipped with long-endurance propulsion, low observable design, and intelligent target recognition, Spear Nox can loiter over contested areas, provide real-time imagery, and engage high-value targets with minimal collateral risk. Together, BriteStorm and Spear Nox form a coordinated counter-UAV ecosystem. BriteStorm detects and degrades hostile swarms, while Spear Nox offers persistent reach and decisive effect, giving operators scalable, ethical, and effective options against evolving aerial threats. They prioritize operator safety and accountability.